Hey, we're on limited time.
We are on limited time. Changes are upon us, which is welcome if we need the water, which we desperately do. It just comes at a pretty inconvenient time for travel. Today's time lapse, the inversion got thicker today. The air quality got more unhealthy and looks to stay that way for one more day. And then we're going to bring in an actual storm that's going to help us scour out the air, clean things up, and bring us some rain and some snow, which we desperately need. I want to show you what's so cool about the KSL Air Quality Network. The KSL Air Quality Network now has over 300 stations in the state of Utah. It used to be that there was only one or two in a county, and that would be the only thing that would give you an idea as to what the air quality is like. Well, we know it's different from place to place to place. So with the Air Quality Network, you can go and look and say, hey, we've got one site out in West Valley, which is 112. It's in the very low spot in the valley. But as you progress east and gain elevation, you realize that the air isn't quite as bad out there as it is in other spots. So in Olympus Cove, it's 72 on the AQI, which is still moderate, but not as bad as it is out in West Valley. You go up into our mountains and you realize that, hey, higher elevations, Jeremy Ranch is at 22. So air quality is like temperature. It's different from little location to little location. And you can get that information and learn all about it. KSL.com, go onto the weather page, look for air quality. You can also do it on the KSL Weather app, an exclusive tool to help you see what the air quality is like in your neighborhood, not just in your county. As you look at the satellite and radar, a few clouds coming up and through Arizona, getting into the southern part of the state. It didn't do a whole lot. The rest of the state has been sunny and clear. Why? It's the high pressure. It's right over us right now. But because it's over us, it's also going to be moving past us. And that's going to open the door finally to a series of storms that will drop in for Thanksgiving and continue into the holiday weekend. Our temperatures, 30s in Vernal and in Price, 35 in Moab, 40s in St. George, 50s in Mesquite. Your travel forecast on Wednesday, clouds moving into western Utah, storms off to the west. But if you're going east or north or south, no problem. Thanksgiving Thursday, snow in the mountains, a rain mix in the valleys. You zoom in, it's not everyone. Thursday is not going to be the most intense day. It's actually going to be Friday afternoon into Saturday. In comes this bigger storm with the colder air stretching all the way back out. If you've got to travel Thursday night into Friday, be warned. Going north out of Utah, you are going to find some impressive storms, and over those mountain passes, some dangerous conditions. 7-day forecast, St. George, 65 on Wednesday, and then boom, out some rain on Thursday for southern Utah, a little bit of snow at Bryan Head, gone by Friday, and we're back to cold air and temperatures in the 50s with sunny skies as we head out the weekend. Northern Utah, lows will be in the 20s, highs in the 40s tomorrow, smoggy sunshine again, but the changes come on Thanksgiving Thursday. Early morning, there will be rain in the valleys, snow on the mountains, and a little rain-snow mix in the benches. That will continue into Friday with colder air moving in. So Friday night into Saturday, snow levels drop to the valley floors. I think the valleys, by the time it's all said and done, ought to see 1 to about 4 inches by Saturday afternoon. The mountains, this could be a 1 to 1.5 foot storm easy, with some spots in the Cottonwoods, I think, getting almost to 2 feet of snow. So this is big over that 3-day period. Stay with KSL for the latest travel details coming in and out of Utah.
All right, thanks, Kev.
Okay.
We'll be right back.